Rahul Gandhi ji is saying, please let me speak, please let me speak, please let me speak. MP Shashi Tharoor, in the middle of his speech, his mic was switched off. Shame, 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 sir. Shame, 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 sir. That from page 96 to page 114, the number of times the LOP was interrupted, sir. This is on record. If you want, I can place it on the table of the House and verify it. While the LOP, Rahul Gandhi ji was still there, on his feet, the speaker says, I will call out another speaker. Sir, has it ever happened that LOP is on his feet, Rahul Gandhi ji is on his feet, and the ruling from the chair is that I will call out another speaker, you please stick to your subject? You look at the record, sir, the number of times the Rahul Gandhi ji is saying, please let me speak, please let me speak, please let me speak. Is this the parliament tradition that we want to show? That a leader of opposition is pleading. Mics are being used to silence. The same thing happened to Honorable MP Shashi Tharoor. In the middle of his speech, his mic was switched off. A move he claimed he has never seen happen in 7 decades of parliament. This is the newest thing that we are seeing. आज चाहे वो हमारी कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, टीएमसी पार्टी हो, सपा पार्टी हो, जब भी उनके नेता खड़े होकर ऐसा सरकार की आलोचना करते हैं, नीति के आधार पर, विचार के आधार पर, उनको बोलने नहीं दिया जाता। कल हमने बार-बार ये मांग की कि अभी मिडिल ईस्ट में एक वॉर आया है। एक पड़ोसी देश ये ऐलान करता है कि हमने अनुमति दी भारत को कि 30 दिन के लिए आप इन देशों से आप तेल निर्यात कर सकते हो। कहां गई हमारी गरिमा? कहां गए वो विश्व गुरु? कहां गए वो 56 इंच का सीना का विदेश नीति? आज महिलाओं, सांसदों के उद्देश्यों पर आज सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं। Honorable Speaker, at that point of time, Om Birla advised Prime Minister Narendra Modi not to come to the House for the motion of thanks reply, claiming credible information that certain women MPs intend to surround the Prime Minister's chair and create an unexpected situation. Shameful, sir. Shameful, sir. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, 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 sir. Shame, 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 sir. जून 2004 में एक ऐसा ही व्यवस्था थी। प्रधानमंत्री उस समय के स्वर्गीय मनमोहन सिंह जी अपना बात रख नहीं पाए क्योंकि भाजपा वहां पे विरोध जता रहा था, लेकिन तभी भी वो सदन के अंदर उपस्थित थे, सदन से गायब नहीं हुए। बार बार फरवरी 26 में 20 बार से ज्यादा आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी को इंटरप्ट किया गया। रिकॉर्ड है कि वो बार बार बोल रहे थे, मुझे बोलने दो, मुझे